Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be deconstructing an oil filter. Thanks for joining me. Have you ever thought what's inside an oil filter? Well, neither have I. But today I'm going to be deconstructing this oil filter. We're going to take a look and see what is inside one. This is a Napa Proformer. And so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking this plastic seal off. And we'll also get rid of the rubber seal that's in here as well. And now there is a metal band that kind of holds all this together. So I'm going to just tap this lightly with a hammer to pull this off. I'm actually going to use a screwdriver and a hammer to tap that lightly. I have to set this on the floor actually. Alright, so I got the base plate off. I'll pull this inside out here. Possibly. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we got this that actually screws onto the engine block. And there's a little rubber seal. And then there's an actual filter in there. Look at that. Pretty cool. And then there's also a spring. And so that is the Proformer. Now the only thing different, I did tear a different one apart long while. I did tear a different one apart a long time ago, and it didn't have this big plate. It had like a small ring that held this plate on. But so this is actually built pretty well, I think. And then there's the filter. Alright, so I thought I would just make a fun little video. And so that is the deconstructing an oil filter. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.